pour with all the extra paint from today. I don't know how much I'll have here because a lot of these are not very full. This might look cool together. White and this eggplant purple. Okay, what color next? How about turquoise? Oh, I just shot turquoise paint somewhere. Might be able to do is I might actually be able to turn, yes, turn this sideways. I'll put 2 down. What do you do with your leftover paint? How do you store it? That's what I'd like to know. Black on top. We just did yellow. I'm going to try to go in a rainbow sort of order again to avoid mud as much as possible. But I mean, with these small amounts, it probably will just get muddy. Instead of doing this, I probably should have just poured the small amounts of paint right on the canvas. But oh well. You live and learn. That's what's happening now. This is probably not actually going to be enough for 2 canvases, is it? Probably not. Okay. Let's try this. Wish me luck. Drip some of this extra on this one. Boop. Boop. Okay, that's kind of cool. I have to pop some air bubbles. Now, what else should we do about this one? This one looks like a big mess. But at least I'm having fun, right? Kind of fun to actually like tilt the whole piece the way you want because it's not stiff. So I'm wondering if for anybody watching, how do you store your extra paint? Because this was all sort of leftover paint from other pours. Do you pour it all into one cup and then do a dirty pour with all the leftover stuff? If you have a lot of paint left over, do you store it in mason jars? Do you store it in plastic containers? I haven't found a system that I really like yet, so if you have any tips for me, I'd love to hear them. So this was kind of fun, like trying to do two at the same time. I did not have very much paint left over, but it helped to make some of these neat like ribbon-y things and stuff because I just sort of poured it everywhere. It was hard to stretch it out though and make it fit on both pieces. I really like how the purple and the sort of turquoise went together, and then that pink mixed with the white. I guess it was more like magenta. And then the like streaks of orange, I guess, and turquoise and purple all together. Like that's a really neat color combo. So I might try some of the same color combos in the future. Like there's almost like a cobalt, and then this is more of a, I don't know, like an eggplant or something. Anyways, thanks for watching.